wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
Love, it's a new day, it's a Saturday, and this is just a random vlog. We're just chilling, so I just decided to take you guys with. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy this, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. To my old members of the family, welcome back to this random vlog, mini vlog. Guys, I have to tell you this, people, the way people are looking at me, it's like I'm crazy, or something. But well, okay, let's go and play with Banyana Babangwe. Awasala.
Please subscribe to my friend's channel. Come on, send it home. Only put the YouTube or that deal. We think I YouTube, but don't come to YouTube. YouTube is a black and white couple.
She's the one.
Sheena is saying, come on, she's the one.
She's the one.
Let me see your phone.
Yes,
The girls are having, the ladies are having the time of their lives, my dear.
But wait. I'm drunk. Subscribe. Hit that bell.
Hi guys, welcome to Cindy's YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Why did you not subscribe? Please is the question.
Do subscribe. Why?
Okay.
Subscribe.
Yeah, for what? Like,
hello.
Why?
Hello.
Who come on show time is happiness and hoop tour ne?
Is a
Cake is so mine.
Kalubuilo, kalusmile. Luemela, lushebile mufuni.
Kenayo khosi wa Batswana so mara isi ya mofu o sala kaiti ba le kinone ndais
Marjola ke gani jo se di ba re jenilas en ba re jenilas
daine
badarina
daite
badarina
daite
en madar re jenilas
ne daite
ne guys iri ke ngos bizo kom ana khodo da prati rena. What is that over Tola? What is that? What's the sign of that over here?
Laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder.
So I'm in a cab. I'm quickly going to meet up with my friend for a quick drink or two. Yeah, I left Mr. Tom somewhere there. So yeah.
Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
By Zuport. There they are, the Vieras.
sister wanna pick
Hello, Mrs. Vieira.
Look
So here's the person I was waiting for, Mrs. Vieira. We just
Hi YouTube fam. The TNC crew.
all the way from Kitmans, guys.
we are from Ventura.
Eh.
up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home. With that low mentality, jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body.
Guys, I hate standing in a queue when I need to use the toilet, but I have no choice because I'm not home. Sorry. You guys are gonna be on my YouTube channel, ne? Are you not ready? Huh? Welcome to my YouTube channel. And please subscribe to Cindy's channel.
Subscribe to
Cindy's channel.
Please do subscribe.
Please. You guys should also subscribe.
Like, comment, and what is the other one?
Share.
Share.
Don't
And,
forget to
and
give
press
it a
the
thumb.
notification button.
Yes, girl.
Oh, die chili
Brandon.
was lekker. My neus bloed. It's so spicy, is it? Ah, bro. It's spicy.
Kira sila mo spicy magan.
When oorgekom.
She's burning. She said she wanted spicy chicken, and now the girl cannot handle this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
We will do so. We will do so. We will.
Tell them.
Please, guys, subscribe, like, comment, share.
Don't forget to share. Bye.
Chili sauce.
Guys, Mrs. Vera says I should try the chili sauce. Almost no day. Chili noodles challenge can Maggie. I'm going to try.
All the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you travel the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be.
Mijn vrouw ook al verstaan.
Ja?
Als onze tijd, dan is dat alles oké.
Er is een mes en een vark. Maar ons, geef me die handen.
Yes, ma. Look at the girls. You can take the tour of the. You can take the tour right part, ne? Maar wat?
You can take us out of the hood, but you can never take the hood out of us. You feel me? You get me?
Imagine last minute.
Check waar le harne. Hier. Ai, ons is een probleem. Ons eet met die handen. Even
We are just ourselves.
Greek standard, guys. With the hands. With the hands. Come on, boy. Aua.
And the tomatoes.
With the hands.
It just tastes nice, man.
Everything just tastes better with the hands.
be shy. I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy. I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud. Talk a little deeper.
Hi, Mr. Vieira.
Say hi to YouTube.
Aww. Hello. So, guys, we are on the move.
To the next stop.
We are on the move. So, great night, right? Chubby Joker. We had a great evening,
It
guys.
was so relaxing.
You actually do not need a lot of money to go out on a date night. You don't. We had a lot of fun. And
Let us sipping and gossiping.
gossiping. We were gossiping, guys, about our husbands.
Don't say
So please subscribe. Please subscribe. This is TC. Team TC. Team TC. Please subscribe.
Like our show, like it, subscribe it on the dot, and subscribe it.
Team TC. All the way. Subscribe. Please. Cookie does nothing but singing. Cookie does nothing but singing.
The next day.
Tumelang Bulav, good morning, guys. It's Sunday today. Never thought I would take this vlog till today, but here we are. So I'm just quickly gonna take a shower. Yeah, I still have this on. Just quickly gonna take a shower and then yeah, we're heading out. So I guess this vlog will continue today. Yeah, but I'll definitely be ending it today. So see you later. We are heading out now, Bulak, but before we do that, I wanted to share this with you. So I finally got myself a tripod net. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys because I wanted to test it out most today. So I'll just show it to you now, and then we'll test it out. This is how it looks. I got it at Shop Namibia. I think it's not called Shop Namibia. It's there in sorry. It's situated in Klingbantuk. Sorry, man. This is how it looks, guys. It can bend, you can maneuver it the way you want. So I think this goes up here, more strong like this. I hope this tripod will be stable because the last one I got was very weak. So yeah, this is, so you put the phone in here and then we can snap. I don't know the words, but this song, guys.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best.
We're here by Devo Carwash. We came to wash the car. Approaching. It's donker there. Hey Bulab. I guess this is where we will be ending this, or I will be ending this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget. Hey Bulab, I guess this is where we will be ending this vlog. I hope you all had a lovely I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment down below, and please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. You will be doing the right thing. So till next time, bye bye.